Since childhood, we've been told one thing. The speed of light is the universe's speed limit. Nothing can go faster than it. But why? Why is the universe so strict about this one rule? And what if this rule wasn't followed? Would the universe crumble? First, a very important clarification. The speed of light isn't just the speed of light. It's actually the speed of causality, the maximum speed at which cause and effect can travel through the universe. So, to understand why this limit exists, we need to talk about space and time. Normally, we think of them as two separate things. You move through space, while time simply keeps flowing in the background. But Einstein showed that space and time are actually stitched together into a single fabric called spacetime. And through this spacetime, there is a maximum speed at which anything can travel, whether it's information, energy, or even cause and effect. And we call that speed c. Yes, the same c from E equals mc squared. You're still with me, right? Now imagine you're trying to push something with mass closer and closer to this limit. At first, everything feels normal. Increase the energy, and its speed increases too. Simple. But as you keep pushing harder, something strange starts happening. According to special relativity, every time you add more energy to make an object move faster, you're not just increasing its speed, you're also increasing its inertia, which means accelerating it becomes harder and harder. And the closer you get to c, the worse this problem becomes. Eventually, you'll realize that reaching the speed of light would require infinite energy. And infinite energy doesn't exist. So physically, there's simply no way to do it. But there's an even deeper reason behind this limit. If traveling faster than light were possible, you'd break something extremely important: time. Because according to Einstein, from the perspective of some observers, the effect would start happening before its cause. Messages would arrive before they were even sent. The entire order of cause and effect would collapse. And the whole universe operates on one fundamental rule. The cause must always come before the effect. Always. For everyone. No exceptions. That's why spacetime itself enforces this limit. Not because someone created this rule, but because a universe where the order of cause and effect breaks down simply cannot exist. So why does light travel at exactly this speed? Because light has no mass. So remember, the speed of light isn't a rule that someone invented. It's permanently built into the very architecture of spacetime. So if anything wants to travel through this spacetime, it has to follow this rule. And if you also want to follow someone, follow me. Subscribe to keep learning more about space.